Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you where you can find the datum plane in FreeCAD 1.1 new update. Before this one update, the datum plane was found right on this tab, and don't worry, it is not gone, it is still here, and what you'll need to do is go and be inside of the part design workbench, and here right next to the create part icon you can see these axes. Go ahead and open up the arrow. And here you can see that you have an option to create a datum plane, a datum line, or a point. When you click on the datum plane, it is going to act as before. So just go ahead and select the references, choose the rotation around each axis or a position, and then you can just click OK and go ahead and click on it and sketch it. And before you do this, make sure you've got the datum plane inserted inside of an active body. So just go ahead and hold and drag it and drop it inside of the body like this. So this is pretty much all how to get the datum plane in the new update of FreeCAD. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.